Hi, I'm Akash from Wade Labs, and this week we are kicking off a new series that'll be all about web design. Today we're covering the element button. Often the heart of a CTA, the right buttons drive click through rates. In Studio, you can add one simply by dragging and dropping it on screen. Carefully select the prompt of your button. Based upon your use case, it could be something simple or rather more descriptive. Let's have my first login button. Now I could change this text directly by double clicking on the button text, or the key associated with it is called label. So in another button, I could go to the component properties, find my relevant key, and change it from there. Let's call it get started. Now this looks rather dull. Let's customize it. The width ring prop here decides whether when the button is in focus, we want a ring around it. I'll just have that off. Fluid, as the name suggests, makes the button width fluid. It goes on and takes the entire width of the parent. We'll have that off as well. In creative sections, you could also add animations to your button. Let's say with pulse, you would have a pulsating effect on it, or even have it bounce. But I don't need so fancy on my get started button. I'd rather want it to be more inviting, so I'd go ahead and set the color to green. That makes it a good primary button. You could couple primary and secondary buttons together to show relevance and set the order of things. Now with my get started button, if I wanted a secondary button, I could set the color to white, something less standout. And since the white wouldn't show up on the white background, let me go ahead and add a shadow as well. Now that looks more like it. Let's have it say no more. And there we go, much better. You can also change the radius and size as per your needs, but the default fits well here. To customize your button fill, we have a few tones for the button. You could choose between solid or light, or have it transparent to go with the background of the page. Selecting outline adds a bordered outline to the button. You could also choose among different button states like loading for the spinner or make it hidden as per your use case. But every button needs a tooltip. You can decide the position of the tooltip. I want it at the bottom. And let's say I want the tooltip text to read login to checkout. And that's it. Hovering on the button gives me my tooltip. But that's not all. On top of the properties that we support, you have the option to set custom CSS styles to your buttons. I could use it to add external custom padding or margins, or even decide a separate font. So what are you waiting for? With drag and drop support and tons of customization options, go make your button stand out. The app is live on studio.wadelabs.com. Check it out and let us know what you think. See you in the next one.